This house was not designed to isolate you from the jungle. It was designed to let the jungle in, through light, through air, through sound, and through the shadow of bamboo. Villa Cora, also known as Bamboo House in Tulum, is located in Mexico, in a natural clearing in the Maya jungle. And the most interesting point here is not simply the use of bamboo. In Tulum, that could easily become just a tropical image. Here, bamboo is more than a material. It creates the entire atmosphere of the house. The main gesture is the large bamboo roof. It appears above the vegetation, like a kind of built canopy, almost an artificial continuation of the jungle. But it does not work only as a striking image. This roof creates shade, filters light, protects the spaces, encourages ventilation, and defines the way the house relates to the climate. A broad, light, porous roof under which life happens in direct contact with the surroundings. The house creates a protected zone where the climate still participates. This is an important point. In a hot, humid, and very bright place like Tulum, comfort does not come only from closing everything off and using air conditioning. It can also come from shade, ventilation, height, materiality, and controlled openness. The bamboo roof does exactly that. It reduces direct sun, creates a layer of protection, and allows air to circulate. Living, dining, and gathering spaces open to the outside, always protected by the large roof. The house does not depend on heavy walls to create shelter. The shelter is mainly in the roof, in the shade, and in the way bamboo creates a layer between the body and the tropical sky. Bamboo could have been only an aesthetic choice, but here it works as structure, filter, and identity. Its exposed pieces, inclined planes, and natural texture make the house feel less like a closed volume and more like a space protected by a canopy. It is almost as if the architecture were trying to imitate the logic of the forest itself: shade above, air circulating, life happening underneath. The breeze, the humidity, the sounds of the jungle, and the changing light are not treated as something to be completely eliminated. The architecture creates comfort, but without fully erasing the place. It allows the house to continue belonging to the climate of Tulum. This care avoids the cliché of the tropical bamboo villa. Villa Cora is not interesting just because it looks exotic. It is interesting because it uses bamboo as a spatial and climatic tool. The roof is not a beautiful accessory. It is the main decision of the house. In the end, Villa Cora is a house about coexistence. Coexistence with heat, with strong light, with humidity, with the breeze, with vegetation, with the sounds of the Maya jungle. It shows that a tropical house does not need to close itself completely against the climate to be comfortable. Sometimes, the strongest gesture is to create a large inhabitable shade, let the air circulate, and allow nature not only to be seen by the house, but to become part of life inside it.